Good morning. I have been asked by Nicola from Just For You Online UK to show you ways of using the floating pigment powders. There are a few colors. We've got silver, blazing bronze, the precious gold, and the spice gold. They're all the same type of product. They're called a floating pigment powder. So the first way is using it as a basic powder. So a brush, mold of your choice. In this case, I'm using molds from Mold and Shape. And you literally just brush the gold where you would like it to be. So this takes a little bit of time. You just brush it on. I will speed this up because, so I'm trying to show you, you just brush the gold where you would like it to be, and then we'll clean it up. And when you're happy, then you can clean off the excess. One way, first of all, to do it is to blow. So I just blow in the mold, and then I'm going to clean it up with some isopropanol alcohol in a little spray bottle. Get rid of the majority first, the easy bits. There we go. I'll do the others and then come back to you. Okay, so the 4 have been done. So I've mixed some white pigment powder into some resin, and I'm using the premium epoxy resin from Just For You Online UK, and I'm literally just going to do the edge. And pour some clear resin in the center. A little stick. I can just pull some resin to the center with the color. The other one I want to show you is I need to mix. So I'm going to put a little bit of the floating gold in a cup. The rest will be white. I'm using the Supreme White Epoxy Pigment Paste. And obviously the floating gold. Go. And I'm just literally pouring my white . So for this one, we've got our base, whatever the color that you want. And I've mixed my gold with my resin. And now I'm just putting lines in wherever I want to put them in. Not rocket science. And then with a toothpick, we can just drag it. And you just do whatever you want. I'm just showing you the different possibilities of the floating gold. And then we slightly heat it to bring it back to the surface. And that's it. That's the second use of the gold. I'm keeping it really simple. And the third one, I will show you a little bit of the process of a clock I've just done for a customer. And I'll show you that. I'll add that little segment of the video to this one. For this clock, I've already covered it with jet black mixed with the premium epoxy resin. And now I'm using the hot chili red and obviously the floating gold. And you will see a different version of using the floating gold. Lacing effect or cells, spreading it with heat and letting it develop. So basically, that's my 3 techniques with the floating gold pigment powder. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll put the results at the end.